Hi everyone, Sarah here with Selmond. Today I'm doing another Christmas collaboration with a great bunch of crafty gals. Carrie from Mama Dares to DIY, Nika from Pack Eat Repeat, Kippy from Kippy at Home, Christy from Christy's Crafts DIY, and Chrissy from First Day of Home. This week we're going to be doing Dollar Tree crafts, and mine will be this kissing ball that I've made from Dollar Tree items. And our main item is these little 18-inch tall Charlie Brown looking Christmas trees. So we all decided to think outside the box with those and make our version of a craft using those trees. And the kissing ball is what mine turned out to be. I absolutely love it, and this will be around as part of our decor for years to come. So stick around and watch how I did this, and after my video be sure to check out all the other girls and what their takes on these Dollar Tree Christmas trees are. I'll include the links for all of their channels in the description below, as well as the playlist that we're all included in. So for this project, we're going to be making a kissing ball, and we're going to be using one of these Dollar Tree Christmas trees to make the main portion of our kissing ball. And what I'm going to do is just set these aside, and we are going to actually start trimming off all these little wired branches because we're going to want to use these individually. Now I'm going to take a small styrofoam ball and some twine, and I'm going to cut off a length of twine here. And the first thing that we are going to do is poke the twine into the ball, and then we're going to use some hot glue to secure it. And to get this into the ball, I'm going to use a skewer. You can also use the tip of your scissors. And I'm just going to push this down in. I'm going to do that with both ends. There we go. Want to be sure we have that end really secure because this is what our ball will be hanging from. Make sure we have that nice and secure there. Now the next thing we're going to do is just start taking our pieces of tree that we cut off, and we're going to start just pushing these into the kissing ball. And the longer ones we're going to want to cut in half because we don't want it too big. So you see these will be far too long. So we're just going to bend these about in half, and we're just going to snip these off. There we go. All right, and we're just going to go around the ball and push these in until we have the entire ball covered. Right now we have our main body of our kissing ball done, and this is about 2 of those little miniature Christmas trees worth of greenery. I only have just a few pieces left over, and I may opt to go ahead and stick those back in later. So definitely plan on buying 2 trees for this project. And now we're going to start decorating this ball and adding in some other items. Now I'm going to go in and start embellishing the kissing ball with some of the berries, pine cones, and greenery that I picked up at Walmart and Dollar Tree.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sled, Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best.
Now, at this point in the process, I decided to forego the red berries, at least for now, and I'm going to add some of these miniature poinsettias that I picked up at Dollar Tree.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joy. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Here is the finished kissing ball. I absolutely love the way it came out with the greens and the whites and the golds. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. And what a lovely piece of Christmas decor just to hang someplace. Just in the corner or just set it as part of a tablescape. Wouldn't that be pretty? Well, let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow for another Christmas crafting video. Bye-bye. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.